somebody showed you years ago that how we sell our product is we talk to the person, then we send them this survey. Then when we get the survey back, we design a demo, and then we bring a SDR on or a solution expert. And then we all fly out there. 3 of us fly out there. And we put on a big presentation. Right? How about, hey, because of the fact that you guys told me you need a CRM yesterday because you're losing $36,000 a month and the leads that are coming in are not getting followed up on, does it make sense for us to install the software? Yeah, absolutely it does. Versus, man, what I'm here, you guys are a perfect fit for Acme software. What I'd like to do is schedule an SDR. We're going to come out there. We'll put everything. I'm going to send you a survey, okay? And then we're going to put together a demo and make you sit through that. Am I saying that demos are bad? Absolutely not. Sometimes you got to bring an expert with you. About 1 in every 20 times you think you need an expert, you actually need the expert. But why don't we do this? Why don't we let our customers decide, right? Why don't we let our customers dictate how much of their time, their money, their energy we're going to waste before they have to do business with us? And how do we do that? Hey, does it make sense to get you on board? Does it make sense to sign the contract? No. What's a good next step then? I'd really like to have you bring a solution development representative out here to we need to be comfortable with this before we're making the purchase. When you say you need to be comfortable with this, can you give me a specific example? Well, yeah, you've got to be R240X compliant because we just stepped into the new EOS mode with this, and I got to make sure that you guys are R240X compliant. Got it. Instead of bringing which I'm happy to do, I've got a great guy, Alex, I can fly him out. Does it make sense for me just to send over our R240X compliance certificates? Yeah, that would be super helpful. Could you send that to Mike Adams, our CIO? Absolutely, I'll send it to him right now. Right? Is there anybody else you want me to CC on that? Yeah, CC me. And I'll walk to Mike's office. Cool, so I just want to make sure that I'm clear on what's going on. I'm going to send you the contract, then I'm going to send the R246 compliance certificate over to Mike. I'll CC you on that. And then what's a good next step for me? I'll walk down to his office right now. Call me at 2:30. Perfect, I'll call you at 2:30. Fair enough? Awesome. Hey, Bob, Matt Easton, Easton Software, as promised, it's 2:30, calling to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement. Yeah, talk to Mike, we're good to go. You guys, you are dragging people along through things that they don't want to do.